In today's video, I am going to teach you how to back up a Wix website by duplicating your site. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. You should already be signed into your account so you can go straight to the main area where all of your websites are listed. Once you are on the dashboard, look through your site list and find the website that you want to back up. When you have found the correct website, move to the Site Actions menu next to it. This is the menu marked with 3 dots. Click that menu to open the available options for that site. From the list that appears, choose Duplicate Site. This will begin the process of creating a copy of your website inside your Wix account. After you select the duplicate option, Wix will ask you to enter a name for the copied site. Choose a name that clearly helps you recognize it as a backup. It is a good idea to use a name that includes the original site name along with the word backup, so it is easy to identify later in your dashboard. Once you have entered the name, click Duplicate to confirm. Wix will then start creating the copy of your website. At this stage, you simply need to wait while the duplication process finishes. The amount of time may vary depending on the size of your website, but in most cases, it should only take a short while. When the process is complete, return to your Wix dashboard and check your site list again. You should now see the duplicated website listed there as a separate site. This confirms that the backup has been created successfully. If you want to make sure everything copied over correctly, open the duplicated site and review it. Check that your pages, layout, and content are present as expected. This gives you confidence that the backup is ready if you ever need it. You can now keep this duplicated website as a backup copy of your original site. It can also be useful as a safe place to test updates, design changes, or new content before making those changes on your live website. That way your main site stays untouched while you experiment on the duplicate. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.